In this tutorial video, we will discuss the setup instructions and go over some of the features of your Arkscan S23 scale. For this video, you will need your S23 scale, the provided power supply, and optional batteries. First, plug the power supply into an electrical outlet, and then the power cable into the back side of the scale. The scale also has the ability to run on battery power if needed. Remove the battery cover on the bottom of the scale and insert 3 AAA batteries. Click the battery cover back into place. Tap once on the power button to turn on the scale. Tapping the unit button will cycle between which unit of weight you want to measure with. You can then place your item on the scale to show the weight. You'll notice the words "Hold" flashing in the top left corner. During this blinking, the scale is working to provide the most accurate reading. Once "Hold" stops blinking, the weight is finalized. The units can still be changed while weighing your item. This weight will remain on the LCD readout for a few seconds after the item is removed. The tare button will zero out the scale if weight remains after removing your items. When you are finished, power off the scale by pressing once on the power button.